By the time I finish work on a normal weekday, I usually feel tired, but not in a dramatic way. It's not the kind of tired where I want to complain. It's more like that quiet, heavy feeling you get after sitting at a desk all day and staring at a screen for hours. I shut down my computer, push my chair back, and take a deep breath. In my head, I tell myself, okay, work is done. I pack my bag slowly. I don't rush. I check my desk to make sure I didn't forget anything. When I walk out of the building, the first thing I notice is the air. Sometimes it's warm, sometimes it's cold, sometimes it feels really nice after being inside all day. I walk to my car and unlock it. I throw my bag on the passenger seat. I sit down, close the door, and just sit there for a moment. I don't start the car right away. This is usually the moment where my brain starts switching gears. Work mode slowly turns into life mode. Once I start driving, I usually turn on some music. Not loud music, just something familiar. Something that doesn't require thinking. At first, I'm still thinking about work. I think about an email I sent. I wonder if I explained myself clearly. I think about something my coworker said earlier. Not in a stressful way, just casually. Then traffic makes me slow down. Red lights, cars stopping and starting. That's when my thoughts begin to drift. I think about what I want to do when I get home. Not big plans, just small things. Do I want to cook tonight, or do I want something easy? Do I have food at home, or do I need to stop somewhere? Am I too tired to cook, or just too lazy? Sometimes I already know the answer. Sometimes I don't. When I finally get home, I park the car and grab my bag. I unlock the door and step inside. The first thing I do is take off my shoes. I drop my bag on a chair or on the floor. I tell myself I'll put it away later. Sometimes I do. Sometimes I don't. I stand there for a second, just looking around my place. It's quiet. No emails, no messages, no one talking to me. This is the moment where the day really starts to feel like it's ending. I change into more comfortable clothes right away. I don't stay in my work clothes. That's like a signal to my brain that I'm done for the day. After that, I usually go to the kitchen, not because I'm hungry, but because that's just what I do. I open the fridge and look inside, even if I already know what's in there. I move a few things around. I close it. Then I open it again. I ask myself what sounds good. Sometimes nothing sounds good. Sometimes everything sounds good. If I decide to cook, I keep it simple. Nothing fancy, nothing that takes too long. If I don't feel like cooking, I don't force myself. I might heat something up. I might grab something quick. I don't make a big deal out of it. While food is cooking or heating up, I check my phone. Not because I'm excited to check it, just out of habit. I scroll a little. I reply to one or two messages. I leave some messages unread because I don't feel like answering yet. I tell myself I'll reply later. Sometimes later means tomorrow. I eat slowly, usually on the couch. Sometimes I watch something. Sometimes I don't really watch, I just let it play in the background. After eating, I sit there longer than I probably should. I tell myself I'll get up in 5 minutes. 5 minutes turns into 10. I don't feel guilty about it. This is just how my evenings go. Eventually, I get up and clean a little. Not a deep clean, just enough to feel better. I wash a few dishes, I wipe the counter. I throw something away. I don't try to do everything. I just do what feels manageable. After I clean up a little, I usually go back to the living room. I sit down again, sometimes without even thinking about it. My body already knows where it wants to be. I pick up the remote and turn on the TV. I scroll through a few options. Nothing really stands out. I stop on one show, then change my mind. I tell myself I've already watched this one too many times. Sometimes I end up choosing something simple. A show I've seen before. Something I don't need to focus on too much. I like having noise in the background while I relax. While the TV is on, I grab my phone again. I check messages, I check notifications. Most of the time, nothing important is there. I reply to one friend, then I stop. I don't feel like texting too much. Some evenings I think about calling someone, but I don't. Not because I don't want to talk. I'm just tired in a quiet way. I like being alone after a long day. Not lonely, just alone. Sometimes I get up and do one small thing. I fold a few clothes. I move something out of the way. I plug my phone in to charge. Other times, I don't move at all. I stay on the couch. I let myself rest. If I feel restless, I might walk around my place for a bit. I check if the door is locked. I check the lights. I turn one light off, then turn another one on. I go to the bathroom and wash my hands. I look at myself in the mirror. I don't think much about it. I just notice how tired I look. Sometimes I tell myself I should go to bed early. Sometimes I know I won't. I grab a glass of water. I drink it slowly. I tell myself it's good to stay hydrated. Back in the living room, I sit down again. I put my feet up. I change positions a few times until I feel comfortable. This is usually when my thoughts slow down. Not completely, just enough. I think about my day. Not in a deep way, just random moments. Something funny my coworker said. A small mistake I made. A task I finished. I don't judge it, I just notice it. If I feel bored, I scroll again. I look at photos. I watch short videos. I don't stay too long. Sometimes I realize I'm tired of looking at screens, so I put my phone down. I might read a few pages of a book. Not a serious book, just something easy. Sometimes I don't even finish a page. My eyes feel heavy. That's usually my sign to get ready for bed. I turn the TV off. The room gets quiet. That quiet feels nice. I go to the bathroom and brush my teeth. I wash my face. I take my time. I change into something comfortable. Loose clothes. Soft fabric. I check my phone one last time. I set my alarm. I make sure it's on. Then I lie down. I pull the blanket up. I adjust my pillow. I turn to one side and close my eyes. My body feels heavy now, in a good way. Some nights I fall asleep quickly. Some nights it takes longer. Even after I lie down in bed, my evening does not end right away. I don't fall asleep the second my head touches the pillow. I usually lie there for a while. I shift around. I pull the blanket up, then push it down. I try different positions until something feels right. Sometimes the room feels too quiet. Sometimes it feels too loud, even when nothing is making noise. I listen to the small sounds around me. The air conditioner. A car passing by outside. Someone closing a door in another apartment. I like those sounds. They make the place feel alive. I think about whether I locked the door. I'm pretty sure I did. I don't want to get up and check. I tell myself it's fine. I remind myself that I always lock the door. Eventually, I let the thought go. I check the time on my phone. I tell myself I should stop looking at it. I put it face down on the nightstand. Sometimes I think about my plans for the next day. Nothing serious, just basic things. What time I should wake up. Whether I need to leave early. If I have anything important at work. I don't try to solve anything. I just let the thoughts pass. On some nights, I remember small things from the day. A short conversation, a quick smile, something I forgot to say. I don't analyze it. I just notice it and move on. If my mind feels a little busy, I focus on my breathing. Slow, steady. I don't count, I just breathe. My body slowly relaxes. My shoulders drop, my jaw loosens. I can feel the tiredness more clearly now. Not the stressful tiredness, just normal end-of-the-day tiredness.